In this video, we're going to focus on how to use the inverse norm function on the calculator related to the normal distribution, and if you're given the area, finding the critical z that goes along with that area. So in this case, we're going to actually use this distribution. So notice distribution is in blue, so we're going to use the blue bars, and we're going to do 3 inverse normal. So we're basically using the normal distribution in reverse. It's sort of like using a lookup table in reverse. So area, we want to find the critical z associated with certain areas. So we want to find where 90% of the values are less than a certain value. In this case, the default is the mean is 0 and the standard deviation 1 means the standard normal distribution. You can put whatever it is exists for you, but we'll use this as the default one. Go down and hit enter. Notice it repeats on that. So area is 0.9 or 90% of the area under the curve, mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. The critical z value associated is 1.28. So critical z values greater than 1.28. 90% of the values are less than that. 90% of the values have a z-score of less than 1.28. Remember, z-scores can go all the way negative. So that's not from 0 to 1.28, that's from negative infinity to positive 1.28. 90% of the values are less than the z-score of 1.28.